And that's the last thing they heard on that recording, too.
Oh.
So where to next, Capitan?
Albuquerque.
Aye aye, polling ship.
Isn't Albuquerque inland?
How do you use the thing to move?
Right click and hold.
I suggest Timbuktu or Kalamazoo.
Aren't they both landlocked?
We need to
as
take
well?
a left at Albuquerque.
What'd you say, Frosty?
Isn't Timbuktu landlocked?
You're turning us
Fuck you,
right,
landlocked.
Ross. You're
No,
getting
I'm
us.
trying-
You're
trying-
making this worse.
Oh
No,
my
fine, I won't
God.
do shit. I'll just sit here.
Kalamazoo's at least on a river and within 80 miles of water.
Or just sit here and fish. Apparently that's the only thing I can do now.
'Cause you can't actually get very far from.
Excuse me,
inland
Harpoon.
sea in
Rude.
Michigan.
Oh no, I got a radiation fish.
We're
What?
fighting each other here,
Wow.
Frosty. We need to
No.
turn the other way.
You guys moving. I
You're
lost
doing
my
the
fish.
you're doing the exact same thing Roth was doing.
Oh. Which way we turning?
And now we need to do a full 180.
Okay.
Well, at least we're out of the dock.
Yeah, we're off the dock now.
That was my goal, is get us off.
Yeah, but I was trying to do it the shorter way, and you were going the long way.
But the important thing is that we tried.
Not the flame.
The important thing is that Frosty tried.
Ouch.
No, I need to be down here.
Alright, keep an eye out for the gulls.
How are we fighting against the wind again?
I don't know.
We're going in the other direction. That's not how this works.
You'll find that
I'm-
they don't give a fuck.
I didn't realise this was Fight Against the Wind Simulator 2021.
You know, Frosty, I didn't realize that either.
They could just gave Abacus Designs a fucking new fucking idea.
My leg hurt.
Cut it off. Use a peg, because you can't sing shanties if you got if you got two legs.
Give me a minute. I'll go.
You got no
Hold on.
beard.
Let me go do that.
You got no beard.
Where's my
And you
peg
can't
leg?
shout ho.
There's my
Wife will
peg
take
leg.
offense.
What a line. What a line.
Roth,
Yeah.
I have a peg leg now.
Cool. Don't fall off the ship. That's gotta be the best pirate I've ever seen.
So it would seem.
Ow, fuck. Just ate fish.
See anything yet, Frosty?
Land ho!
Aside from land?
Water ho!
Aside from water?
Rot a ho!
Wait, what's Calrissian doing here?
Frosty! You're not supposed to say that!
You gotta love how the reaction is. It's nothing like you're wrong. It's you're not supposed to say that.
I've got seagulls off to the port side.
Hey, Frosty.
Port side? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
look at that. You knocked yourself off the boat!
I
played
lagged
yourself,
super hard when I
queer.
did it too. And I'm like 3 fucking feet below the sea too.
Oh my God! You knocked yourself off the boat!
You played yourself, fool.
Try to act all cool and shit, and you knock yourself off the fucking phone.
No, I did what I accomplished. I damaged him.
But at what cost, Rob? At what cost?
Nothing really.
Oh, it hurts. It hurts.
You know what? Now we fuck.
Oh.
Oh. What's in the barrel?
Bat.
Seriously, Roth, we're trying to actually do our jobs right now.
Okay, I'm done. I just wanted to knock him off the fucking harpoon.
And you also knocked something off of the harpoon.
It was alright, it was 2 banana. It was
Me.
banana. Ooh, cannon testicles.
I'm sorry, what?
What?
So as anybody watching can tell, this is why they're not PvPers, because they just tell jokes, and, well, you know, that could work.
That's... you see? That was hurt my nose!
What?
You see, Captain, that's what I do. I talk shit and I know things.
Oh my god, my nose.
I'm trying to talk and my nose is like, no talk, only sneeze.
Okay. Well, this makes...
Oh,
Don't bring it up yet, Flame. Have you had a look through all the barrels?
There's still some wood out there.
Flame? Flame?
What?
Flame? Have you looked
Flame
through all the
cares
barrels?
I did not look through all the barrels.
I will look through all the barrels.
If you want to, go for it. Have fun. I'm gonna sit here and try not to die.
Empty.
Let them not die.
Then die harder.
Are you saying that it's a good day to die hard?
Yes. So who here has actually watched Starship Troopers 3?
No.
Yes.
No.
I fucking... Alright, Frosty. I love the song off of that show, off that movie. Such a good song.
Empty. 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 Empty.
Secret is Flame actually did go through all of it. He just wanted to send the brothers back out there in front of it.
Quick, raise anchor.
Poon me.
Why would I? Why would I raise anchor?
Please poon me.
I'm fishing.
I'm holding anchor.
Well, I'm leaving.
Okay.
What have I done wrong?
It started with the cat.
It started with the cat. Not that that's the sole reason it started there.
Okay, let me ask this question a different way. How can I redeem myself?
We'll
I
cross
think
that
we
bridge
need to
when we
make-
get to it.
I think the cat needs more fresh air.
I find it funny how you're giving Frosty the shit for firing your cat out of the can, but you're not giving me shit for doing it.
Well,
I'm
you're
about
the
to say,
captain.
like-
I can't really do much about it right now. Fucking fish. There
You've got
we
a
go.
really big rock you're steaming right towards, dude.
Oh wow.
Flame,
Frosty, where
flame,
are you?
flame.
Yeah,
Really big rock you're steaming right towards.
yeah. I'm gonna thread the needle.
I don't think you are, dude.
But I am. See?
Yes,
Yeah, this is the
it's
state.
everywhere.
And voila! I have thread thy needle.
Slap straight to the really big rock and run it.
I'm so glad I figured out how to actually fucking fish.
Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day, teach a man to
a man
fish,
to
and he'll
fish.
stay quiet for the rest of the evening.
What?
You've never heard that?
No.
Really?
Yeah, I've heard the give a man a fish and you'll feed him for a day, but teach a man to fish and you'll feed him for the rest of his life.
Yeah, but that's like sentimental and biblical and shit, not funny.
Yeah. And then there's what Frosty did,
What
which
is
is
that over
pertains
there?
more to nowadays ethics.
That is a thought.
One of my favorite quotes is, build a man a fire and he'll be warm for a night. Set a man on fire and he'll be warm for the rest of his life.
Technically correct. That's kind of correct.
Frosty, you want to come down here and get ready on anchor?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Alright, you may drop.
Dropping it like it's hot, Captain.
Now, by my calculations... the treasure should be right over here somewhere.
Kill animals.
Oh, that's just my next question.
You want me to stay on boat?
There it is.
Or...
Yes. On the bottle. Wow, that sucks.
What?
They haven't even sailed as far as K9 and they've already run out of grog.
They're terrible.
You get it?
Ruth,
What?
I have worms for you.
Cool, put them in the bottom barrel.
Ruth. I got polk.
Everything that's cookable and used to get more food, put in the bottom barrel.
Okay. Gonna go have a look over there.
K9, where's K9 in red? K9 is here.
You'd have thought for somewhere called Shipwreck Cove there'd be a lot more loot, wouldn't you?
You think so?
Well, I think people try to avoid this place.
You know, that would be the logical thing, but we know better.
Oh, I found it. It's all on this main island.
I wouldn't worry about it.
Wow, that took like no time to cook.
Okay, I'll just take the ammunition and go. Delivered to Wild Henry at Crooks Hollow. Oh, I'm leaving.
Have you seen enough bullshit?
By virtue of the fact that I'll get you shot at, yeah.
You're a pirate, you'll be fine.
Yep.
But will he really?
I hope so.
Do you though?
Yeah.
Why?
Poon me.
We're below deck.
Please.
Again, we're below deck.
I'm on my way up.
I got him.
See, it was pre-aimed and everything.
It wasn't. I had to move it.
Do you like to move it?
No,
You don't like to move it, move it.
no, I do not like to move it.
You like to move it, move it.
No,
You like to.
because
Move it.
his one of his people is like obsessed with feet, and that's weird. Even by my standards.
You mean to tell me that out of everything you've seen, that's what weirds you out?
I'm
You do-
just-
You do butt stuff. That's what weirds you out.
You do butt stuff.
and that weirds you out. Okay, you want me to fucking top that?
Not on
Please.
stream,
No,
but
no,
yes, I do.
If you would like to see Roth top that, go to his OnlyFans.
I have one, so
Oh, that's real easy to fix.
Seagulls directly ahead.
Seagull!
I wonder what seagull would taste like.
Probably like chicken
Rat.
or rat.
Like ass. Like
Chicken
ass,
rat.
I am, I know. You just eat so much shit.
They're the rats of the sea.
Which is why people hate them.
But we were the rats of the sea.
No. Because we actually have standards on what we eat, technically.
Having fun there, Frosty.
Just moving us like a hair to one side of it.
Well, you didn't turn the wheel enough.
It takes a lot to move it. Hey! Sail miles across the sea while on a voyage. 100 out of 100.
I've got 23 left to go.
And we'll get it. Today, probably.
Good, good. Let the plate flow through.
We
Let
got a
the
storm
plate,
rolling
really?
in.
Huh?
Now quick, harpoon rots fish!
Actually, can you?
I don't know, I've never tried.
No, you can't.
Hey look, there's the bottle. Oh, that's a broken barrel. I can't reach the rest of the harpoon gun, so Geronimo! Ooh, look at this. What is it that I picked up? Precious gemstones, sweet. We're nearing K11 and I see barrels in the water. The crew won't let me search them though. Spoil sports.
Yeah, that sounds like us.
Why are they going to K11? That's south of us. That's away from their destination.
Maybe because they need more grog.
Or did I read that wrong? No, it says K11. What the fuck? Why would they go south? That is so much further away from their destination. That's the end goal. Alright, so I guess we need to go south then.
There's a boat over there. Do we want it?
A boat? Where?
over there. Just to the left.
Oh, a dinghy? Go
Yeah,
for
it
it.
would be.
That storm is approaching right on top of us.
Then you better stop fishing and give me a hand.
I've been fighting this fish ever since we stopped. I will not let this thing win.
Winning the battle to lose the war?
It's a matter of principle.
No wonder you lose every war.
Yep. Calling stupidity a matter of principle does not save you from the fact that it's still not the smart thing to do.
Go around on the other side, Frosty.
What?
Other side. I'm turning the ship that way.
Motherfucker, you're right there. Just go to sleep. Just go to sleep.
There you go.
Managed to
Excellent.
find some shit as well.
Nice.
Found a full cannonball crate.
Nice.
I'm gonna put the wood crate there. The cannonball crate there. Hey, look at that! Finally, we got some wind.
I see seagulls.
Let me go up the ladder. Fuck.
Are you still trying to get that one fish?
Finally!
Jesus,
It
man.
was a trophy fish.
No wonder it took you so long, but Jesus, man.
Seagulls directly in front of us.
Towards
How
the
much
end
time
of
do you
it-
spend on that fish?
I don't know. Towards the end of there, it was on the other side of the, like, this little bar right here, so I couldn't actually see which way it was going. You know, if we wanted to, we could probably get that chest.
That was weird.
Oh, ghost ship.
Oh shit!
Son of a bitch.
Hi, buddy.
Of course, the cannons aren't loaded, because we weren't expecting this.
Are we just fucking doing this?
Yeah. Why am I lagging so hard?
Stop downloading your midget clown porn, baby.
I can't.
I can't.
Turning us around violently.
Oh, we're taking on quite a bit of water.
And fix it.
I'm trying, and that would be a great idea.
Ow.
But
We've
I'm
been put to
lagging
sleep.
so hard.
Ow! I'm dead. I stood back up just as another cannonball fucking came over and hit me in the face. No, don't climb into the cannon. Use the cannon. Fucking.
just fixed that!
Yes, you did. Oh, there's a chain shot in this one. Okay.
Top you up on some ammo.
Yep.
You want chain shots or? Ah, I'm off the boat.
Just regular cannons.
I'm dead.
I got him. I got him. I got him.
I've been put to sleep again.
Hey! I was just out of
Good
range.
for you.
Right. I would love. Ooh, turn away. That was the mistake.
Can't tell if I'm overshooting or undershooting.
We have
Oh,
first
shit,
balls
I'm out
if
of-
you want some.
No. It won't. We've got nothing relevant. I need more ammo.
So did I.
Flame, don't worry about coming down here. Keep you guys all stopped. There's 44
I kinda...
Rude. I'm dead.
Shit, I'm out of the boat.
Should I be cheering for the ghost ship or for you guys?
Get your ass up, sailor.
I got. God, that fell down.
I've been put to sleep again.
I'm asleep.
What? Oh,
I'm awake.
asleep.
Now you get to
Get
experience it.
down here. Get down here now.
I'm asleep again. I can't.
We're going to lose stuff. Whoever's
I'm
awake,
down,
get down
here. I'm bailing water. Pull your tits, dude. I got this.
Okay, the water's
Right.
been bailed out.
Jesus Christ. The fact
I
that he
need
just
food.
spawned on us.
Ow. God damn it, not again.
I'm glad it's only for a couple of seconds.
Yeah, but those couple of seconds can change the tide.
Oh, son of a bitch, not again.
How many of these things do they fucking have?
An infinite number.
We're gonna have to get out here. We're running out of wood.
Okay, let's go then.
I would love to, but I keep getting put to sleep.
Flame. Let's just work it. We're all
Raise the anchor then. You think we should get out of here, raise the anchor. I don't know how we're going to run from a fucking ghost galleon that
If we
keeps
can put
putting
it-
us to
if we can
sleep.
if we can put it behind us, it can't shoot at us.
I just woke up. This is the most annoying thing we've added.
Okay. That's
Anchor
up.
up.
Sails are trimmed.
Get ready on port side, Frosty. Or maybe stay on that side, yeah. That works.
Trying it to below the waterline a little bit.
Well, that's the
I'm out
end
of
of the
ammo.
episode, but
I need food or I'm
Shut
gonna die. No, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got
We
it.
only got 7 wood left.
Son of a bitch.
Okay, we're open in the distance. Try and keep these sails trimmed.
And he's still chasing, son of a bitch.
Yeah, but we've got speed on him now, surely.
Not really.
Bullets won't do anything against them.
What, even the
It'll-
skeletons?
It'll kill the crew, but they'll just respawn.
Okay.
Can you try and kill like a helmsman and slow them down?
I don't think that's how it works.
There is 12 wood in the wood crate on deck.
Alright. I think we lost them. Nope.
No, we haven't.
The seas are just hiding them.
You're still in the sleep animation for me, Rob.
Am I just sliding around the deck?
While asleep. We have the speed on him.
Here's the bad news. We can't just keep heading straight. We have to turn around.
Okay, can we use the island for cover? What about that big one over there?
We might be able to use that one.
Well, this is a good time for me to change the episode because it ended like a while ago.